off shoulder bustier tutorial. First of all, you fold your fabric into 2 to cut the front point first. Then you measure, come down by 1.5 inch, just the way I just did. Then what you do now is to remove 5 because it's an off shoulder. Then you go down and measure 10. Then you draw a line straight. Then you measure 4. Then you measure 14. 14 is your under bust. Then you measure 16, which is our waistline. So I'm going to draw all my lines straight. I'll draw all my lines straight. I'll draw all the lines straight, just the way I am doing. So at the top, what I'll do, I'll measure 3. At the top, I'll measure 3. Then at the bust point, I'll measure 4. Then at the waist, I'll measure 3. And at this down point, I'll measure 3 too. So I'm going to connect my lines. You connect your 3 to your 4, which is your bust. Then from your 4 to your waist, which to your under bust. Then at this under bust, you go down straight. You go down straight. Then you pick up your scissors and then you cut out. You cut out the exact way I am doing. Don't do mistake. Cut out this part, this particular first part, the way I am cutting it like this. Very, very simple. If you follow this tutorial, you will come out, you will get a beautiful off shoulder. So you cut it out just this way, the way I'm doing like this. What you do now is you flip it over. Watch what I'll do now. I will turn it like this. I will turn, then I'll arrange it very well. Please arrange it very well. Then get a pin if you want. Then pin it to secure it. You don't make mistake while you're cutting. You can secure it or you can just cut it like that. But I want to just do a new tutorial. So I'm going to cut it out like this. You see what I'm doing? I'll cut out this arc. You're seeing a triangle there. I'll cut out this triangle out at the bottom first of all. The way I'm doing it, cut your own too, just like this. You get a beautiful off shoulder, a perfect looking off shoulder. You can even use for corset, just like this. Then at the top, you also cut it like this too. At the top, you cut it out like this. Very, very simple. What you do now, you move your pin and then you turn to take your measurement. So at this shoulder now, I'm going to overlap it, then take my measurement. My shoulder to shoulder is, I want the person on is 12. So measure like this. You measure up like this so that the person armhole will cover very well. So I'll come down by 3 to draw my armhole curve. I'll come down by 3 to draw my armhole curve like this. Then I'm going to draw my armhole curve. Very, very simple. Don't forget to overlap when you're trying to measure, please. So I'm going to overlap this particular bust point by 1/2 inch. Now the person bust is 36. Divided by 4 is 9. So I'll put it 9 there. And I'm going to be adding 3 inches sewing allowance because everything I've cut out and replaced. So for the waist, the person's waist is 28, sorry. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Then you're going to add 3 inches sewing allowance because of all the cutout you have cut out. So you're going to replace 3 inches. Then you're going to connect your lines just like this. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. If you follow this tutorial, you will not make mistake. You will come back to thank me. It will give you a sweet off shoulder. See this curve I did at the top here. It's going to cover the armhole. Your armhole will not be showing when you carry your hand. You will get a beautiful and a perfect off shoulder. Please, if you find this tutorial very, very helpful, please don't forget to comment and like. And also, if you want to learn how to pad this off shoulder and sew it, please comment part 2 on my comment section. I'll come back to show you how to put the other things and everything. So thank you very much for watching. This is what our off shoulder is giving. I'm going to open this. You will see. I'm going to open it and show it to everybody so you see what I'm talking about. So I've opened this is our off shoulder. Very beautiful and perfect. It's just giving everything. It's giving you what it should give. It's giving you beauty. So thank you very much. Bye.